We got Chick-fil-A for lunch because that's all there is in this town, and that's what my niece and son wanted. Actually, my niece wanted the Grinch meal, but the McDonald's doesn't have it anymore. So she then said Chick-fil-A. And I got the nuggets because I did not enjoy the strips last time. With buffalo and ranch, fries with Chick-fil-A sauce, mac and cheese, and a Dr. Pepper. Yeah. Oh.
So we just had Chick-fil-A the other day.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
How's your food?
Is your food good? Is it good? Yeah.
Is your food good, Mama?
Mm-hmm. Do you want more? $300 and something.
100?
No. 300 and something. 360. No, 359.
360?
We're gonna finish up eating lunch. Thanks so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye.